Okay, you got your really slick root and you burn a hole in it on your hot pass. What are you gonna do about it? Let's show you how to fix that up. You got a hole here, you got hot pass, and you've got root right here that you've already ground up. You're ready to hot pass that, right? For me, what I like to do when I burn a hole like that, which I don't do very often, I did it for the video actually. I had to try to screw this up. What I like to do is get past that hole and run a little bit more hot pass up there to put some meat on it, because if you go digging on this with some 6010, there's a potential to be digging a whole new root all the way up, and you don't need to do that. So put some meat down. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little hot pass down here on top of that hole, above that hole, get that filled up, and then we're gonna come back, we're gonna grind this bottom piece and feather the top piece, put a little new root in, grind out the wagon tracks just like you normally would, hot pass over that, and then we can go ahead and cap that baby off. See where I started above that hole, right? I didn't want to cover it up. Started above that hole, tapered into it. I don't know if all of you noticed when I put my hot pass in, I flush it out. And I just hot passed all the way to the top. Basically, ignore that hole until you get done up here. Then we'll come back and we'll start cleaning that up. Another reason is, if you were to try to get that hole right away, everything here is still really hot. Get that hot pass done, gives you time to let it cool down a little bit, come back to your hole. Works better on pipe to cool off, but then we can grind it up. Let this plate cool down just a little bit. Then we'll put that root back in there. Okay, like I said before, we had a hot pass here, we burned a hole, we put a new hot pass in, and I just stuck that grinder in there, and I transitioned all that, just like you're coming into a tack, like you're grinding for a tack. Make it real thin on each edge that you gotta tie into, so you can burn into that, make a real nice transition, real nice tie and restart on the backside, and then hopefully, when it's all done, you got a good root in there that you can patch over with a hot pass. Look here, I filled that hole in with some 6010, made both my tie-ins, the front and the back. When we look at the backside, we'll have a whole root on there again, and it doesn't look too bad. Now, we're gonna prep it the same way we would normally prep it for a hot pass. We're gonna try to grind our wagon tracks out. When I'm talking about wagon tracks or slag lines, that's this black line right here. Okay, that's that slag that the 6010 leaves behind. There's a little bit there. There's usually some on both sides. So that's why they call it a wagon track. It's like one wagon wheel road here, one wagon wheel road here, okay? Your wagon tracks. We're gonna try to grind those all the way out without getting too thin in the middle so we don't burn another hole. For everybody out there that's new, try to grind your wagon tracks all the way out. Don't leave any slag in there, because you're not good enough yet to know whether you get it out or not. So I'm gonna grind this out, hopefully not grind it too thin, because we don't wanna go put another hole in there, right? Sometimes that's what happens, especially for new people trying to clean those wagon tracks all the way out. That's one of the issues with cleaning them all the way out, is if you clean them all the way out, you're gonna get pretty thin. So you gotta be kind of careful. You gotta know what you're looking for. We got that cleaned out. Now I had one speck right here I worked on it. I didn't want to chase that any farther, because sometimes they'll trick you. They'll think you can get it out in the next 2 swipes, and 10 swipes later you're all the way through the plate. So those little specks there you'll probably burn out, but for the most part we got all that slag cleaned out of there. Now we're gonna fire up, make a restart, put our hot pass back in there all the way up to here, and then we'll cap it. Right in here, I think, is where we burned through. And right up through here is where we made the repair. There's where I made that tie-in. There's where I made the restart. There's the rest of the root. Now all you gotta do is put a cap on her. That way when it's a slick old cap, everybody can drool on her. Remember, hit the like, subscribe, notification bell, search us on Google, you know, whatever you do with the computer.